Scan on YouTube, Sam here, meat and cleaver. Welcome to another video. So in celebration of Love Lamb Week this week, if you didn't already know, all week has been Love Lamb Week, celebrating all things lamb. It's been great. But in honour of that, I'm going to get a little bit ahead tonight as I close up for work and prep up a little bit of shoulder of lamb. We're just going to add some super nice subtle flavourings to that. Maybe not flavourings, but definitely herbs. That's the word I was looking for. Gonna mix a little bit of rosemary, garlic, a little bit of oil, salt and pepper, and yeah, let's get into it. Keep this super simple. Just gonna grab the lamb. Sort of goes without saying. I've made lots of little incisions. Look, you can chop obviously garlic if you want. The leaves off of the rose. Run your fingers down. Gonna leave a few because I like to add a bit more of a vibrant colour to it at the end. Cool, because you literally just got to keep going. So just gonna add big knife. Gonna use just the heel of it. Break the leaves and release the flavour. Oil to it. It's just to help really bind it together. Probably gone a little bit too heavy on the oil. I'm not. And that is the marinade. Done. Because I'm at work, otherwise I would put it on a plate too. Piece of getting your hands dirty. Super quick marinade, super tasty, so it can be ready for a slow. This is looking good, people. It's looking almost. I'm excited. So I've not used it before. You just wrap that cling film and want them flavours to really get into night. It's one less thing to do tomorrow as well. Bang it in the cold room and jobs are good. Cool, so I just cling filmed the lamb up and yeah, it's getting dark so early now. I hate it. Alright, just getting into the cold room, leave this overnight, it's up on the shelf. I've got some beautiful beef in at the moment, so I know it's a little bit dark, the GoPro doesn't do it justice, but it's aging up nice. So yeah, leave that overnight, and I've got to clear up at work now. As you can see, still a bit of a mess, and I'm running late as per usual, but I will see you tomorrow at home with the Traeger lit. And yeah, get ready to cook some epicness. And a super simple dish to create such epicness. It is beautiful. Anyway, I'm getting too excited about food. I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice evening. Have a good Saturday. See you later. Scan on day 2. It's Sunday. Just literally got in from work. And yeah, Traeger is on. Set to 105. So let that come up to temp, and while it comes up, gonna sort some veggies out and yeah, get this slow cook going. So let's bang on the time lapse. Okay, cool. So before we put the time lapse on, some lovely veggies from the farm shop. So got couple of potatoes, couple of sweet potatoes, got some carrots, and just a mixture of onions, some white and some red. So yeah, we're going to get all that cut, chopped, and bang that on a tray, ready for the Traeger. My good God, the onions. Jesus Christ. Definitely emotional. Eyes are streaming. Alright. Oh, enough of me getting upset. Look at this. So good. Cool, so we're gonna go put the lamb on the middle shelf on the Traeger, veggies going underneath so all the lovely juices can drip on top and create some awesomeness. So let's go. Cool, so I've dried my eyes after the onion saga. Quite embarrassing. There we go. So yeah, let's get back on with the job at hand. Traeger's up to temp. Busted the super smoke on. So veggies are going underneath. We've got our beautiful piece of lamb. That tray's going to collect all the goodness that this shoulder of lamb has to offer. So yeah, it's going to take a little while. At 105. Gonna give it probably like 5 or 6 hours, so I don't know if I actually get around to eating it today, but my lunch is sorted for next week. But yeah, no doubt we'll have a little bit tonight, and the rest will maybe just meal prep I reckon. But yeah, anyway, I gotta go. Let this do its thing. So it's gonna take a fair while. So yeah, get some jobs done. Might even shoot to the gym quickly. And then yeah, maybe come back, check it at about probably 8:30, 9 o'clock tonight, I reckon. So yeah, catch you in a bit. Shoulder lamb has been on 9, and yeah, see how it's getting on. Done this, so let's check it out. Down to experience. The lamb has cooked pretty good for 4.5 hours. I thought it would sort of slow cook. So yes, this is the situation we are presented with. Really all I've really got to say, to be honest. But yeah, so we'll put this one down to experience of it. But the veg has what happens, and this time, luck, I go bang the veg in the oven inside. Yeah, looks like we're just having lamb by itself tonight. Just got the old lamb carved up, still a bit on the pink side. I was hoping it was going to pull a bit more, but like I said, outside we live and we learn. It didn't quite turn out, so yeah, we will be having another go at this, tweaking a few little things. I think it needs to go on a slightly higher temp. So I don't think it's not that it was long enough, but yeah, just think it was just a little bit too low for the length that I put it on. But you got any ideas or anything I can change, anything you want to see, drop us a comment, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.